Hey gents, welcome back to our channel. I'm Paige from the Gentleman's Box team, and I'm here today to show you guys how to get this skull look, which I think looks great with a suit and some Gentleman's Box items. So let's get started. First thing I do is moisturize or prime my face because I'm about to put a lot of products on my face. So I like to use the Hangover Primer, but you can use whatever moisturizer or primer you have. Next, I'm taking a small detail brush and a white face paint, and I'm just going to outline where I want the skull to be. Next, you are going to take a bigger brush and you are going to paint down from where you did the line, and that whole bottom will be your skull. So you want to leave the top of your nose open because later in the look we're going to fill it in with the black paint so it looks sunken in, so you can just leave that how it is. With the small detail brush, we're just going to add a couple of features with the black. So I'm going to start with on the cheeks. Now we are going to do the nose. Don't worry if it's not perfect or if you can see some white peeking through, because once it dries we will go over the black once again. Now to the mouth. Next we are going to do the hardest part, which is the outline of our cheekbones. Now we are going to draw the lines to start forming the teeth. Now I am using white paint to go over the teeth and using a black eyeliner to add more detail to the center teeth. So that is it for the basics of how to do the skull makeup. And if you are a little bit more experienced, you can experiment with some detailing with some black eyeshadow and it looks really nice. But that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching and have a fun and safe Halloween.